Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be doing some exhaust modifications. But before we get started, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notifications for more videos coming to you. Alright, first we're going to be installing these exhaust tips. Now these are offset. As you can see, they're actually made for the Jeep Trackhawk, but they do bolt up the same way. I know some people don't like the offset look of them, but I personally do, and the way the bumper's shaped on the back of the Challenger, I think it actually looks pretty good. So we'll get started. So the only thing that's actually holding these exhaust tips on is just one bolt, and all you need is your ratchet and a 1/2-inch socket. If you look underneath here, actually right there where the bolt's at, we're going to loosen it now. Now, for what I'm told, there's a weld that actually holds this together. So, what I suggest you use is a rubber mallet. I don't have one, so I'm going to create my own. And I'm just going to use a hammer with some padding added to it. I'm going to move this over here so it's not too loud for you. Alright, there's the stock tip off, and this retainer is just going to stay there. Now, let me get the other one off, and then we'll start with the install. Alright, both sides are off, and as you can see, the stock exhaust tip actually has kind of a slant to it. So once we get the Trackhawk tips on there, there shouldn't be too much of a drastic difference. But we'll get started. Okay, before we start, make sure you have this loose, so it'll make the install a lot easier. Just want to line it up. There we go. Make sure you got it all the way installed, and we'll kind of tighten this bolt down a little bit. It's that simple. Now, I'll go ahead and get the other one on there, get it kind of snug, and then I'm gonna line up the tips. And I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, got them lined up, tightened down. That's kind of what it looks like there. And you can see they don't stick out too much. I think they actually look pretty good. There's that one. Get it far away. Shot for y'all. There we go. It's that simple. Alright, next we're going to do an active exhaust delete. As you can see here, these are by Chaos Motorsports. That's what they look like. You get both of those. They give you all the hardware, they give you some Loctite. And basically the purpose of these is whenever you have the vehicle in street, sport, or track mode, your exhaust valves will actually open and close depending on which mode you have. With street mode, they stay closed more. In track mode, they stay more wide open. And what these will do is, even if you have it in street mode, it's going to keep the valves wide open. So we'll get the car jacked up, we'll get underneath there, and then we're gonna get started. All right, so got the car jacked up, put a jack stand underneath there. Just make sure you're being safe. You don't want the vehicle falling down on you or anything. And when you're working above your head, make sure you got some safety glasses on because you don't want stuff falling down in your eyes. So this right here is our active exhaust. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting this in between here. Now all you're going to need, and these are the exact same on each side. You can see the other ones right there. And all you're going to need is an 8mm, a 10mm, and an Allen key. Now let me reposition the camera and we'll get started with removing. Also, one thing I need to mention, do not disconnect it. If you disconnect it and connect it back up, the computer is automatically going to check to see if it's full open, because when the vehicle starts it's in wide open mode. And if you do that, you might end up getting the check engine light, so you don't need to unplug it. Alright, so for removing, you're going to use your 8mm, and you got 3 nuts that are holding this on. Now whenever you actually loosen these, there's going to be a little bit of spring tension, so you're going to want to kind of hold it whenever you're moving it. Get all 3 of those off, and you're just going to take and ease it out. Try not to get anything to move. And you can see on the camera there's a little spring. Now this is going to be removed. And we're going to be putting this little piece here on. That on there now. Make sure you got it centered all the way down. I'm gonna move this out of the way for now. Remember, don't disconnect it. And next, we'll be sliding this on here. There we go, there's that. Put our 3 washers on. And then you're gonna put these on. That's all open on both sides. Make sure you put your Loctite on. You don't need much. 10mm to tighten these down. That one's tight, that one's tight, and that one's good. All right. Now, next, I'm gonna pull down this. Hopefully you can see on the camera. We got that on there, it's centered. I'm gonna take and line it up. Whoops. Goodness, that's a loud car. That's why you make sure that these are on good. It popped off on me. Right. Let's try this again. Got that on there. So you have to put it on a little offset, and you're gonna have to move it and line up the bolts. There we go. There's one. This one. These are gonna take an Allen key. Oh, this is a tight spot for me. All right, there we go. Now I'm all lined up. Let's start it. I'll go through and tighten them. Now, I'm not sure what the torque specs are for this. I just remember that it's plastic underneath it. So I'm just gonna get them kind of snug. There we go. All right. And as you can see now, got it all installed. That's what it looks like. And now the exhaust is going to stay wide open no matter if you have it in street, sport, or track. Now I'll go ahead and do the other one. I'll show you what they look like when I'm done, and we'll do a little startup. Alright, as you can see, we got both sides installed. Now, I'm gonna get the car off the jacks and I'll give you a good cold start. So as you can see, we don't have a check engine light or anything. That means we got everything installed correctly. Now I will leave a link for both items in the description below. But just remember, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notifications, so you can get all the videos coming to you.